Shakshuka is one of those brilliant, vibrant, glorious one-pan recipes that makes an epic centrepiece as well as a flavour-packed meal. The great thing about this dish is you can eat it at any time of the day and you can vary up the spices however you like. The one thing that is non-negotiable is poaching your eggs in a beautiful, luscious sauce. Now typically this sauce is tomato based and that's the juice that is going to poach and steam our eggs. We need to get ours simmering. So in my pan here, I have cooked down some onion and some capsicum with some cumin, some smoky paprika and some garlic. To that, we're going to add a whole lot of tomato and then bring it to the simmer, ready for our eggs. Once our sauce is nice and hot, we need to make little hollows to crack our eggs into so that they can poach in that beautiful sauce. So crack them in one at a time. Now you need to make sure that you've got enough for everyone. There we go. Then we're just going to place the lid on for 3 to 4 minutes to finish steaming and poaching our beautiful eggs until we're ready for the big reveal. Look at that! What a vibrant centrepiece for the family table. We're going to scatter it with some feta, oh yeah, and some lovely green herbs. On they go. Ooh. And when you serve that up, you have a nourishing and show-stopping dish for the family table, all cooked in one pan that shows just how versatile eggs can be. Look at that!